Morning, guys. Okay. Guys, kumusta 1 year after Cinemalaya, iba't ibang festival abroad and locally? May commercial run tayo this Pride Month. How does it feel?
Of course, nasa proud. Sarap sa pakiramdam na ganun yung nangyayari yung success ng film namin.
Correct. Gaano kahalaga na maiparating yung mensahe ng open ending sa community natin, lalo na ngayong Pride Month?
Very important siya syempre for representation. Importante na magpunta ng mga kapatid natin. Yung mga kwento na to in a bigger scale. So very thankful kami that we're having this wide screening for this one.
Gaano rin kahalaga na mapakita yung sapphic relationship? Kasi bihira to mapag-usapan sa mainstream, and this time, pinag-uusapan siya sa open endings. Jazz.
I think it's very important kasi alam naman natin na in society, lalo na dito sa kultura natin sa Pilipinas, no? Marami pa rin mga tao hindi sanay o kaya kapag nakakita ng mga same-sex relationships, naninibago sila, hindi nila alam paano mag-react. And in this way, we introduce the stories of sapphic women, of same-sex relationships in a bit comforting media na normalizes it for everyone, not just for the couples, not just for the people in the community, but for everyone. Because kids, they can be part of the community if they want to support the community, diba? So, it's just a matter of talagang giving that time, space, and representation.
Jeya, para sa mga badings, finally may mapapanood sila this Pride Month. Your thoughts on that?
Ako, para sa akin, I'm just really happy na yung movie namin na which was meant for Cinemalaya lang, andito na kami ngayon. We're able to reach a bigger audience. So, medyo nakakakaba siya, pero hopefully na ma-send namin yung message na there is an audience for this, and I'm just so happy to be a part of it.
Thank you, guys.
Sige naman.
Kumusta ka, Clea?
I'm okay. How about sa post ko na rape? Okay naman. Yung family ko sobrang ano din. Sila yung nagpo-push na kailangan may gawin kaming action about it. And okay na rin yun na nag-speak up ako. Minsan lang ako magsalita sa social media about sa mga bashing, about sa mga threats na ganyan. And this time, parang hindi ko na pinalagpas kasi sobra-sobra na yun. And walang may deserve ng ganong klaseng message. Yeah, kahit sino. Sana. Yun yung plan. Hahanapin natin yung mga yan.
Correct. And supportado si Jeya doon.
Yeah, very thankful ako. Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako kasi yung support din niya. And isa siya sa mga unang nagagalit once na makatanggap ako ng ganyan.
Message. How do you feel when you read that post?
Ay, mas galit ako. Mas galit ako kaysa sa kanya, syempre. And yun nga, nobody deserves that. And it's time na these people who feel comfortable saying things like that on the internet, hiding behind fake accounts, I think it's time that they learn their
I-expose
lesson.
natin sila.
Message na lang to all the LGBT with your movie. Siguro.
Happy Pride!
Happy Pride!
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Picture lang, photo.